What are we making, Mason?
Hot chocolate.
That's wrong. We're making Play-Doh. Homemade Play-Doh. I grew up making, or my mom made it for me as a kid.
Play-Doh in there.
Alright, what are we making, Mason?
Play-Doh.
That's right. So I grew up with my mom making Play-Doh as a kid for me. I'm going to double the recipe because we're going to make a bunch of it. And it's really simple. It's, let me see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ingredients. All things that you might have in your house. First is water, and it's for the normal batch. And I'll show you the normal batch real quick. It's 2 sandwich bags. I made that yesterday. I guess 6 ingredients, food coloring. 1 cup of water, 1 cup of flour. Hold on, buddy. 1 cup of flour, half a cup of salt, a tablespoon of oil, and 2 teaspoons of cream of tartar. So, and we just heated up the water on medium heat. So and then we're gonna add the salt. And like I said, we're doubling it, so we're doing a cup today. You just want to dissolve it in there. And dump it in. And you can add the food coloring beforehand, but we didn't because we're gonna make multiple colors out of it.
Can we try some salt?
We're not just eating salt, silly.
Why not?
Because it's not. I'll let you try some later if you really want to. And then we're gonna dump the cream of tartar in. Yeah.
What tartar for?
I don't know really. Grandma just gave me the recipe with that, and I'm taking her word for it. Alright. So we're gonna stir that in.
Grandma was your mommy?
Yes.
You've been a very kid?
When I was a little kid, yes. She still is my mom though.
How are not gonna be your mommy?
She will always be my mommy. What?
They'll tell you what to make it for you can make.
Yeah, Mom, your grandma taught me this.
This is the flour.
Yeah, and that's the flour. And with the flour, I would do a small amount first, so it doesn't get all too full and too dry too quick. Okay, let me take over real quick. Now this is really fun when you make it and you're mixing in the color when it's kind of a yucky day out because it's nice and warm dough. I'll show you that in a minute.
Yucky right now.
It does look yucky. Show them that. I gotta add 1 more cup.
Looks like some grits.
With porridge.
What are they called again?
We're making Play-Doh.
What are we going to add next?
We're gonna add food coloring next.
What color next? That? 1 more of that thing in it?
Yeah, 1 more thing of flour.
1 more ingredient?
That's that, and then gotta mix it in. I might need to add a little more water. I might have boiled some out.
Mommy said orange or flour.
Say what? Your mom said flour.
Why?
Because that's what she said.
Her knows 1 more flour. I didn't know what ingredient been. Daddy
Say
didn't.
cheese.
Cheese.
So I add a little bit more water. I'm gonna put it on the cutting board, and we already got flour on there just to make it to where it don't stick as bad. And that won't be too bad to wash out. And we're gonna divide it out.
Wash it.
There's like 1 bunch. It's hot.
That's the 1 bunch. That's how you make Play-Doh.
Yeah, that's how you make Play-Doh.
Okay, so we got. I'm trying to think if I need 1 more.
Okay, hold on. Okay. Should I pause it? 'Cause it's so nice.
Yeah, you can. So I'm gonna do purple. All I did is make little indents so that you can roll it in there or knead it in there. And that'll keep it from getting on your hands so bad. You might need to add more still, but
Why?
this is hot right now still.
Play-Doh is?
Yeah, it'll cool down, bud. And the more you play with it, the more that color will get consistent. But see, it doesn't get on your hands too bad.
Why you put a little bit more now?
So try making it a brighter color, bud.
Why you put black in the middle
Mason,
one?
quit bubbling on.
Huh?
Because I'm going to make that one.
Because you're making that one little?
Yep. No, don't rub it on yourself.
Oh.
Yeah, just show it to them. Say, look.
Yeah.
I just want to show you. So we got them all made up. There's our purple. I'm not going to show them all. But really simple, really quick, fun. Now it's edible, so if your kid eats it, it's not toxic. Yeah, now it's time for us to have fun. So we got a cool green, lime green. Can you not make so much noise? Mason. Mason, stop please. Brown. Blue.
I'm so stinky.
This pink.
Why am I so stinky?
That pink's slightly different.
Why am I so stinky?
Because it just does. We made a little bit of black. Mason. And orange. So.
Play-Doh night.
Yeah, we could do play tonight tomorrow. Alright, thanks again guys for watching.
Oh.
I'm going to leave the recipe down below. Fairly simple, like I said. Check us out on Instagram, Facebook. I think that's about it for social media. Links will all be down below. Hope you guys have a great day. Bye.